Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. It has been a while. If you're new, hi, I'm Shaki and I do lifestyle vlogs. So if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button so you're notified whenever I make a video. So it is Saturday the 21st of March, and today you see from the thumbnail, we are going to Buzzers. So I'm ready now. We're about to leave out, waiting on everybody else to like gather and stuff. So it's like a church trip, so we're just gathering and then we're gonna leave. Don't lick me. Anyways, I haven't vlogged in a while, but I decided like I don't want vlogging stress me, so I'll vlog whenever I feel I have good content to vlog. So yeah, so today I decided to wear my purple. I wear purple and stuff, so I'm showing them my OOTD if I can't show them. I might put it on. I don't know. Alright, so I'm wearing this, what do you call this, cropped purple tank top thing, and then I have on my white joggers. It's my first time wearing these joggers. I bought it to wear somewhere, but I never get to wear it, so this is the first time I'm wearing it. And then I have on my is it purple or lavender? I think it's lavender. I have on my lavender sneakers as well, and my jewelry and stuff, my glasses. I am gonna be bringing a what do you call that? I'm gonna be bringing my sweater because I think the rules for the place is that we have to have sleeve. I think but I did already pick out this before them say it before my seat, so that we'll put on afterwards. Yeah. Anyways, so I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Natural disaster. My baby is me. Angel be falling, angel be calling. None of that could ever make me. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I
Stick to your bike. So you're not playing on the when play a game,
Hey guys, so I am back home. We're tired. It's like after 10 right now. It's 10:44. We're back home. We had to stop and get food. Oh no. So we stopped at Angel's and now we're back home. So yeah, experience wasn't bad. Let's get the feedback from Shanique.
I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Can you take a boomerang?
And we actually love the picnic game there more than the adult them.
I played like 2 of the adult games because I can't drive.
I drove, but it was nice.
Listen, I mean, driving is easy on the road, but in the machine.
In the game?
I want him so.
I don't know. It did not go on hard.
On the bike, I jump off my bike, kill me about 60 times.
I'm gonna tell you. Jesus.
No. Anyway, can you boomerang my hand?
Wait, now I'm done with vlogs. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.